Welcome back to another Saturday Spotlight. If you don't already know, we have a 3D printer in the Create space at the Central branch. Our Prusa i3 Make 3S is available for printing small-scale 3D printing projects. Visit our website, kfpl.ca, to learn more about the training required to use the printer. Today I'm going to share some Prusa practical print ideas that could also be great gifts. Gibbets are popular right now. Our teen librarian was able to design our very own KFPL logo person, Gibbet. If you're not quite ready to design your own models, check out printables.com by Joseph Prusa. It is a great place to find 3D model designs that you can download for free in seconds. There are game pieces, Pokemon figurines, plant support stands that you can print in different sizes, fidgets like the Flexi Rexy, paper clips, whistles, chip bag clips. You can even print tick removers in 8 minutes. You can search for all sorts of practical quick print ideas depending on what you're interested in. At the end of the video, you'll find a few links that will show you where to download these 3D model files. I hope this video was helpful. Happy printing!